My first Albertan thunderstorm. Let's get some lightning. Fuck, I missed it. Oh dice, Jen. There's rotation over there too.
Over there?
Yeah, right over that way. See it? Fuck.
Yeah.
Okay, we got some rotation going on here. Maybe we'll get a tornado too. So that would be fucking sick. Fuck, I only got 10 minutes of recording time. Damn it! Can you grab that beer for me? The one that's not out, it's just sitting right there on its side. Come on, where's the lightning? This is reminding me of a BC storm now. Bunk. Fucking watch that rotation. I fucking was just zooming back out from it. Fuck. I missed both the lightning strikes. No. It's not a supercell.
Oh, there was one like 2 weeks before you.
Actually, I don't know. It's pretty getting bigger and stronger. It's fucking moving away from us. Fuck, man! Every time I move my camera, lightning strikes. Right where I've been filming. Yeah. Fuck, maybe I should be careful what I wish for. Look right above us. Yeah. Right there. That's hooking around like that. Come on, I'm almost out of recording time. What'd you say? Are you gonna go? Storm will be over shortly. There's the other end of it right over there, for fuck's sakes. Fuck. See, perfect. The arc worked perfectly. Right where get it right here. It should stay somewhat dry. Fuck, here comes the fucking downpour. Missing all the lightning though. What the fuck? Funniest part is I called this storm before it even happened. Come on, give me a good flash on camera. Oh, my screen's blurring. I got fuck water on it. Shit. Fuck. Just access it right now on my phone if you want.
No, because
How would she find out?
she goes and she gets other people to search, or like she gets her friends, or maybe a mutual friend.
Whoa! Actually, it's just that was a smart idea. We're barely getting rained on here. I know, I'm not. Ow! Alright, I gotta put my phone away. Fuck, it's getting